This is our 2-minute pitch. Research in Medicine, Clyde Haiti, Ryan Current, and Eric Brooks. Our thesis is that human research conducted in Haiti was not morally justified. Our first point is beneficence. All physicians and researchers have a duty of beneficence to always have their patients' best interest in mind, and that the goal of any human research study should include the welfare of their patients. According to the Declaration of Helsinki, researchers have a duty to protect life, health, privacy, dignity of their subjects. According to the Belmont Report, researchers have an obligation to not harm, to maximize possible benefits, and minimize possible harms. The researchers in the Haiti AIDS study did not follow their duty of beneficence. They did not have the welfare of their subjects in mind, and they did not give them the proper medicine that was promised to them at the beginning of the study. They also did not warn any individuals that tested negative for AIDS that they were at a very high risk due to their partners having AIDS. Next was truth-telling. According to Kant, lying to patients is never permissible. According to Susan Cullen and Margaret Klein, that deceiving patients is never morally acceptable, even if you are trying to protect patients. The researchers in the AIDS study were morally unjustified to lie to their subjects. They did so by not telling them the true focus of the study and did not tell them the true reason behind why they were testing their blood. Next was the Rawls research contract theory. The Rawls research efforts should be concentrated towards helping the neediest, and conducting research on the poor to benefit the wealthy is unpermissible. According to the Nuremberg Code, experts should produce beneficial results and should also not be random and unnecessary in nature. According to the Declaration of Helsinki, the well-being of the human subject should take precedence over the interests of science and society. It is morally impermissible for researchers to exploit the misfortunes of the poor in Haiti by not providing them the life-saving drugs to the subjects. The researchers are using them to benefit the wealthy, thus making the research morally unjust. Finally, we have autonomy. According to the Nuremberg Code, all subjects should have freedom to practice their autonomy without any form of coercion or constraint. According to the Declaration of Helsinki, research should respect the ethical standards that promote and respect for all persons. The research in Haiti is unjust because the research clinic does not provide their patients with any options to make decisions on their own. Also, using basic medicines and vitamins as incentives to participate is a form of coercion, thus making the research morally impermissible.